Welcome to Bunkys Kitchen. On today's video, we're going to make a lemon smoked turkey tenderloin and a homemade yellow rice with a nice lemon sauce to bring them both together. Anytime you can add real smoked flavor to your food, you should do it. Makes a really big difference. I use real wood chips in my smoke tube every time I use my Traeger. You can use any kind of smoker you want to with this recipe. When you get your smoker holding at 375, go ahead and start prepping that tenderloin. I went simple today with some salt and pepper and smoked paprika. And if you want to add some extra flavor, I didn't do it because I forgot to do it. You can split the tenderloins in half and stuff some lemon in there for some better flavor. I actually wish I would have done this. I usually do, but I was in a hurry today and completely forgot. So I just threw some lemon slices on top today. Once you get them ready, put them bad boys on the smoker and let them cook till the internal temperature reaches 165 Fahrenheit. Let's start prepping for that yellow rice. Go ahead and dice up your green and red bell pepper. And dice up 1 medium onion. And chop up 2 cloves of garlic. Grab yourself a medium pot, add a splash of olive oil, and a tablespoon of butter. Throw your onions, garlic, and pepper in there. And cook on medium heat until the onions are transparent. Don't forget your salt and pepper. When they're done, you want to add your rice, turmeric, thyme, and smoked paprika and cook on medium heat for about 3 minutes. Cook until you smell that rice start getting real fragrant. You'll be able to tell the difference. Once this happens, add your stock and mix it together really well. Just heat to a boil and cover and simmer until your rice is done. Probably take about 20 minutes. About a tablespoon of olive oil and a tablespoon of unsalted butter. As soon as your butter gets melted, throw in your 2 cloves of chopped garlic. And cook for about 1 minute. Now add your chicken broth and heavy cream, and when that starts coming to a slow boil, you want to add your lemon juice and your lemon zest. Don't forget your salt and pepper and add a splash of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce, or however you say it. We'll call it W sauce. That W sauce puts a little tang in it and it tastes perfect. Keep it on a medium heat until it reaches the consistency that you like. I added a little slurry to mine because I like it to be a little bit thicker. Remove your turkey as soon as it hits 165. You can plate this however you want to, but that sauce tastes great on this rice. It goes together perfectly. I really hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and I'll be seeing you next week.